Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
It was a little off-road,
Okay.
I had the box back there. I just redid it this weekend. Just did it straight in the back seat. So
You moved it from the trunk to the back and was a little louder?
I tore the other box out.
Oh, okay.
And just did it in the back seat so I wouldn't have to worry about ripping it out.
Got it.
Again, next time I need to get that battery down there.
Okay. Oh, so you have a, oh wow, battery bank underneath.
Yeah.
Looks good. Look, probably you got it made for the show, but you're work in progress, right? Yeah, I got it. Nice. All right. Can I look real quick? So what is your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Wess.
Wes, okay.
Yes, sir. Got 8 PRV Fortes, 4 PRV Altos, 8 tweeters, 4 tuning 200 horns, and 4 4400 horns on the outside.
Okay.
2 nightshades.
Yep. Wow, this is like a 4th order then.
6 order.
Okay. Oh, I see now. There you go. This is a good box layout design. This is very different.
Yeah, I just be thinking this shit.
So did you, when you tried from trunk to now behind back seats, do you see like a difference with everything, or?
Still trying to figure it out. I just put the box in yesterday, so
Okay.
trying to figure out what's good and what's not.
Yes, sir. How thick is this?
The glass, almost half inch.
Nice. Looks good. Do you know your tunings?
I got the inside chamber tuned to 28 and the outside tuned to 45.
Okay. And your amplifier is wired to 1 ohm?
1 ohm.
Okay. All right. Sound like you just got this pretty much together.
Yeah, still trying to figure out the kinks and what's working. If I should do 1 or 2 subs in there.
Oh, so you could actually remove one, maybe?
Yeah.
All right, nice. Very unique style. I don't really see many boxes where you do a 6th order with a square port in the back like that, and then the arrow port in the front instead of like a slot. And if you ever wanted to, you could tweak that port if you needed.
Yeah, it was the only way I could do it to where I wouldn't have to make the port any longer and mess up the schematic.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And you can see inside of this beauty. Nice neo magnets. All right, sorry, I'll stop talking. Go ahead, man, I'm ready for you. What you want to hit on, man? I like to talk a lot sometimes.
There ain't no problem.
This is gonna hurt my ears, I can tell. Some really high tweeters there.
VyStar Credit Union is here for you with less fees and more financial freedom. For a limited time.
What part of Savannah you in?
I'm in Rankin, Georgia.
Rankin,
I
Georgia?
live in Effingham, but I grew up in Savannah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw that at one point, because all my people stay in Savannah.
Yeah, I used to grow up in Georgetown, Savannah.
Oh, I'm hoping I ain't mess up one of them voice cords over there when I was metering. I smelled some smoke in one of them earlier, so.
You can smell it a little bit?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Not too much.
Coils might have got hot.
Let me put this pussy on you. Take your gun on the dress, and let me undress. Her baby, her baby. Try fish fries, grab it long. Kiss JP, big kiss balls, spit on the head, make it wet, take that, take it deep, get a little bitch, little way I talk. It get hard every time I walk. Suck it, bring out the white chalk. Paid to you for me to hold. Selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser, but they don't know about the stress bill. And you know where I'm from. I see you winding and grinding up on the floor. I know you see me looking at you, and you already know I wanna love you. Already know I wanna love you, you already know, money in the air, that's Mofil, grab you by your coattail, take it to the motel, wholesale, don't kill, won't tell, baby say I don't talk, dog, but she told on me, oh well, take a picture with me. What the flick on you? Baby, stick to me, and I'ma stick on you. If you pick me, then I'ma pick on you. D-O-double-G, and I'm here to put this on you. I'm stuck on you, so and yours is right. Rip riding the poles, and them doors is tight. And I'ma give me a shot for the end of the night. Cause you so and baby, you'll be so polite. Grinding. Mofil, grab you by your coattail, take it to the motel, wholesale, don't kill, won't kill, baby say I don't talk, dog, but she told on me, oh well, take a picture with me, what the flick on you, baby stick to me, and I'ma stick on you, if you pick me, then I'ma pick on you, D-O-double-G, and I'm here to put this on you. I'm stuck on you, so and yours is right. We're riding the poles and the doors is tight. And I'ma give you a shot for the end of the night. Cause you so baby, don't be so polite. I know you see me looking at you, and you already selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser, but they don't know about the stress bill.
I appreciate you showing me, man.
Nice to meet you.